Riddhi support, leveraging partnerships, use of technology and innovation, private sector engagement and capacity building. USAID Riddhi scaling up RMNCHA interventions has embarked on the journey to empower women, reach the unreachable, vulnerable populations, establishing transitional and motivational outcomes for maternal, newborn and child health systems in the country, with Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India and state governments. Our program reached out to 15 states of India as technical support partner. The project impacted a population of 328 million, including 8 million pregnant women, 7 million newborns, and 23 million children under 5 years of age. Riddhi adopted a systems-based approach to address important issues and challenges across the RMNCH continuum of care.
NHM Jharkhand is thankful to USAID Riddhi project for extending its cooperation in the field of sustained healthcare, and we expect that in the time to come this support will continue, and there will be many other things where we would be working in tandem towards sustainable healthcare for the public. Thank you.
Reaching the unreached, the project integrated a 360-degree framework, leveraging technology and innovations, system strengthening, data for action and establishing public and private partnerships.
Scaling up RMNCHA activities began with development of district health action plans using Rasta tool and implementation through supportive supervision visits based on Government of India's checklist. Of prime importance was the rollout and implementation of Laksh, a flagship program of Government of India.
In association with Riddhi project since 2015, I guess, and I've been at various levels in NHM, and then I was lucky to be posted in Haridwar as the CMO. And I saw their work wherein they were working in an aspirational district, and I requested if we could turn around our labor rooms in terms of quality, and herein we started working on Lakshya certification, and with their support and the vision which we had thought of, we could get 5 Lakshya certifications in Haridwar.
Improving quality of care through engagement with private sector partnerships, we successfully piloted and scaled up innovative technology-based solutions such as multimodal pulse oximeter and fetal heart rate monitoring handheld Doppler.
We, in collaboration with USAID Riddhi project, developed a new digital HRP model called SEVA, which is a systems approach for women at risk, an Android application. In 1 year of intervention, our HRP identification rate increased from 3.5% to 28%, with increased referral, increased treatment compliance, birth preparedness. More than 70% of the identified HRPs delivered in FRUs.
With Riddhi's support, was first to introduce 3-day NBSU training module in the country to revitalize facility-based newborn care program through its NBSU strengthening model.
CMC भादराबाद में NBSU 24/7 फंक्शनल है। स्टाफ की समय समय पर बहुत अच्छे से ट्रेनिंग हो रही है, स्टाफ प्रॉपर्ली ट्रेंड है, और हम बहुत कम लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज में भी उसको बहुत अच्छे से चला पा रहे हैं। अननेसेसरी रेफरल्स हमारे यहाँ से नहीं हो रहे।
The project leveraged introducing digital platforms in health systems via mobile apps like Safe Delivery app, eMitra app, eIMNCI and HBYC. Digital platforms like eHBYC and eNSSK were developed and rolled out as alternate mode of capacity building.
इस ऐप में जितने भी ट्रेनिंग हम लोगों को दिया जाता है वो सारे ट्रेनिंगों को बहुत अच्छा से वीडियो के रूप में दिखाया गया है। इस ऐप के मैसेज को अगर हम लोग सही ढंग से अनुपालन करें तो लेबर रूम में जितने भी कॉम्प्लिकेशन होते हैं सबों को दूर किया जा सकता है।
Further strengthening quality of care in SNCUs and district hospitals using appropriate data for action through SQCI and DQCI.
We appreciate the technical support received from USAID's Vriddhi project. It is a journey towards providing quality of care to newborns, and we recognize USAID's Vriddhi project as the important partners of this journey.
Strengthening RMNCH services in Tea Garden hospitals and MMUs in Upper Assam.
Being resilient during the pandemic, our project continued to support state governments in their initiative towards COVID control and resuming RMNCHA services in selected states and leverage digital mode of learning to reach every life.
Vriddhi also supported during COVID pandemic in awareness generation and capacity building staff of COVID related prevention and control measures is well appreciated.
The project moving forward has implemented a sustainable model, joining hands with the Government of India and state governments for a healthy India.